YouTube channel Afro Kitchen. So today I'm taking you along how I marinated my chicken and what I used to marinate my chicken. So these are the spices I'm using for the chicken. Can read the names. And also this one here. This is what I used for the chicken. Last but not least, I use this rosemary. I add some of this as a spoon. And black pepper, a spoon of roiko, a spoon of olive oil. That's what I used for the chicken. And also here I have beef or chicken. This is goat meat, sorry. The goat meat also I used the same black pepper, some of this, and also this roiko and olive oil. That's what I use. Each one of them I use them like a tablespoon of each. Because this one is very little, I use a half of the tablespoon. So, and also the best, paprika. I love it. I add in this, and on my chicken also I did add. You can even see I've not mixed them well. So this is my dinner, and also I have bread already, this one covered here. So guys, we are starting to roast our chicken. Here we are in the air fryer. This is the left, the remaining one. I'll put them after this one. The air fryer doesn't take it all. This chicken is like 2 kilos because they were two big large chicken. And also I have rice. Add in some boiled water. I know how much water I've put, guys. You might ask me how many cups of water is that? I know this is 2 cups and a half. Because I know how much rice I put. I turn on the air fryer. I start roasting. So here we have our peas and cabbage. Peas and beans mixed together. I'm sorry, I'm saying cabbage and it is not. It is peas and some beans. That is my sauce. Have lentils also to be warm. This is my leftover lentils that I'm warming. I have garlic, ginger, and also some carrots and green onion. And we have our butter right here. Then I'm going to throw in a piece of butter. The rest I'll add it on the rice. The smell, guys, is so nice. So this is the rice. I hope you're able to see me. Adding the rice, I reduce the heat because I don't want it to stick or to burn down. Mix. So that is it. So guys, this rice of mine call it garlic ginger rice. So that's the name of my rice, garlic ginger rice. So it is done. As you can see, it smells so delicious, so nice. So I'm going to garnish it with the green onion. Imagine, I'm not a chef. Imagine if I am a chef. What do you think I was going to do? This is Sunday dinner with family. Oh, we are done. So let me serve it. See you the other side. Now you're running away. I want to give you. What is the over? What is that? Okay. That is good. So guys, this is our dinner for today. As you can see, this is what we're having for dinner. Our fried ginger, our garlic ginger rice, chicken, potato wedges, cabbage, and lentils, and some beans on the side also is there, but you are not able to see it very well, and fresh passion fruit juice. That's what we are having with our dinner today. Welcome to enjoy this dinner with us. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. Each time when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified by YouTube. Afro Kitchen. Enjoy this food, guys.